Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dog grooming scissors is probably one of the most important tools for any professional dog groomer, impacting not only the final look but also the comfort and safety of your canine clients. We've reviewed and compared numerous options to bring you our top picks, considering factors like blade sharpness, ergonomics, durability, and overall value, ensuring you get the perfect cut every time. Number 5. Gimars 6-in-1 Grooming Scissors. These grooming scissors are crafted from high-quality 4CR stainless steel with a ceramic coating. The meticulous 60-step process ensures exceptional sharpness and durability, making grooming easier and more efficient. The sharp convex blades provide a smooth, professional cut, effortlessly removing mats and tangles. The rounded tips add an extra layer of safety, protecting your pet from accidental injury. Grooming shouldn't be a chore. These ergonomically designed scissors fit comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during extended use. This versatile set includes 2 straight scissors, thinning shears, curved scissors, a grooming comb, and a convenient storage case. Everything you need for a complete grooming experience. We stand behind the quality of our products. Our dedicated customer support team is here to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like? This comprehensive set has everything you need for professional grooming. Its sharp blades ensure smooth cuts, while the ergonomic handle prevents fatigue. If you're a professional groomer or serious pet owner, this is the ultimate choice for a complete grooming experience. What people say. The comb was also quite useful, as this is sticker season, and those are pretty hard to get out. The scissors are great. They are sharp but have rounded ends to protect my puppy. With this kit, you get a short straight shear, a straight shear, a curved shear, and a fishtail shear. The rounded safety tips are good for those who are afraid of cutting their pup. Number 4. GLADOG 5-in-1 Grooming Kit. This kit has everything you need for a professional grooming experience at home. It's designed for ease of use, even for beginners. The kit includes thinning shears, curved and straight scissors, a comb, and a cleaning cloth. All neatly stored in a black leather case. All scissors feature rounded tips to prevent accidental injury to your pet. They're especially safe around sensitive areas like the face and paws. It's made of high-quality 4CR titanium-coated stainless steel. This ensures they stay sharp and durable, making grooming easier and more efficient. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during use. The rubber bumper on the handle prevents accidental pinching. This kit is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. Achieve professional results without any hassle. What we like? Safety is paramount, and this set delivers with its round tips. The high-quality steel ensures durability and sharp cuts. The comfortable grip makes grooming sessions less tiring. If you prioritize safety and comfort during grooming, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Everything in this kit is surprisingly durable and can take accidental drops perfectly fine. The comb can definitely pull out and break down some hefty knots and mats without the teeth bending at all. It's pretty strong. Despite not being top-of-the-line quality shears, they come decently sharp and don't dull very quick at all. After having them professionally sharpened after a few months of use, they definitely have a higher quality feel to them, of course, and feel more professional. They're all pretty comfortable in my fingers too, and while my fingers are quite slim and slide through the holes easily, just getting those cheap and simple hole grips solve that issue perfectly. The thinners are my favorite and are such a great in-between of nicely blending but also taking off a decent amount like chunkers. Number 3. Pet Magasin Grooming Scissors. This set includes 2 pairs of scissors, one for detailed facial grooming and another for trimming larger areas. They're designed for ease of use and safety. Notice the rounded tips. They prevent accidental pokes and scratches, keeping your pet comfortable and safe during grooming. The smaller pair features micro-serrated blades perfect for delicate areas like the face and paws. These provide precision and control for a neat trim. The larger scissors have smooth blades ideal for quickly and efficiently trimming your pet's body fur. They glide through the coat effortlessly. These are designed with ergonomic handles for a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during grooming sessions. The finger rests add to the comfort. Grooming your pet has never been easier. These scissors are lightweight, sharp, and effective, making the process quick and simple. Whether your pet has thick or thin fur, these scissors are suitable for all types. They provide a professional finish with minimal effort. What we like. This set includes 2 sizes for versatile grooming needs. The rounded tips ensure safety, and the design makes grooming effortless. If you need a simple yet effective solution for both facial and body grooming, this is an excellent choice. What people say. They are amazing. I highly recommend to anyone with a dog that requires any level of grooming. I am at the highest level of need for outstanding dog grooming products, and these are perfection. These scissors are still very sharp after several trims, and they still work great. One pair is rounded on the ends to help protect her eyes as I trim. The other pair is great for the longer hair. These scissors are sharp, light, and felt good in my hand. They easily cut through pap, food packages, etc. Number 2. Pet's First Pet Grooming Scissors. This set includes 2 pairs of scissors, one for trimming the body and another for detailed facial work. It's perfect for all your pet's grooming needs. These professional-grade scissors are made from premium stainless steel. They'll easily cut through even the thickest, most matted fur, ensuring a clean cut every time. The easy grip handles make grooming comfortable and easy, even in hard-to-reach areas. You'll be able to groom your pet without straining your wrist or hand. With their rounded tips, these scissors are designed to prevent accidental pokes and scratches. Grooming your pet will be safe and stress-free. Whether your pet has long, short, thick, wiry, or curly hair, these scissors will give you a clean cut. They work on all breeds and coat types. What we like. These lightweight scissors are easy to maneuver, making grooming less strenuous. The sharp blades provide precise cuts, and the safe tips protect your pet. If you value lightweight design and ease of use, this set is ideal for you. What people say. Very sharp, cuts my dog's fur perfectly and works well for grooming, specifically his facial hair. The blade is sharp and the round tip prevents me from accidental cutting him. Easy to use handles. Love the rounded tips when trimming around my dog's face since he doesn't hold still very well. Number 1. Chibuy Curved Dog Grooming Scissors. These grooming scissors have blunt, round tips to prevent accidental injury to your pet's sensitive skin. They're perfect for trimming around the face, eyes, ears, and paws. Made from high-quality 4CR stainless steel, these durable blades provide a smooth, easy trim. The titanium coating reduces friction and prevents pulling. The ergonomic handle and non-slip finger rings provide comfort and control, even during extended grooming sessions. Detachable rings accommodate various finger sizes. You can adjust the blade tightness to suit different hair thicknesses. The rubber pad on the handle reduces noise and prevents accidental pinching. Whether you're a professional groomer or a pet owner, these scissors are perfect for safely and easily trimming your pet's hair. They are an essential tool for any groomer. The rubber pad on the handle acts as a silencer, reducing noise and making grooming less stressful for your pet. Your pet will appreciate the quiet grooming experience. If you have any questions or problems, our customer service team will respond within 24 hours to provide professional after-sales service. What we like. The curved blades allow for precise trimming around delicate areas. Made from durable steel, they'll last. The comfortable handle reduces hand fatigue. If you need precise control and a comfortable grip, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The round tips of these scissors provide maximum safety, offering peace of mind when working around sensitive areas such as the face, eyes, ears, and paws. The stainless steel blades are a true testament to their quality and durability. They are exceptionally sharp and make grooming a breeze. The ergonomic handle design with non-slip finger rings is a game changer. I no longer experience discomfort during long grooming sessions, as these scissors provide a comfortable grip and protect my hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.